Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel MineCodex, and today we are going to learn about programming concepts. Okay, so let's start. Today we will learn is introduction to programming concepts, data types and variables, and the last control structures, that is if else or loops. Number 1, introduction to programming concept. Programming concept refers to programming means giving the instruction to a device to perform the task without doing mistake. Translate the instruction into machine code. It serves as interpreters for converting language into other language. Here I included a picture. As you can see that you, it means you are here, and one is interpreter and the third person is your friend. If you know English, no sorry, if you know Hindi and your friend understand English, then interpreter help in understanding Hindi by converting this into English so that your friend can understand your things. In the same way, we use interpreter to give tasks to the computer to perform the tasks without doing mistake. Now, data types and variables. So there are various types of data types in programming language. Here I included integer, float, boolean, string, character. First is integer, 1 2 3. All the numerical number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, these all come under this integer. And float, 3.0, 4.0, 47.9, these all are float. And the boolean, true false, this is referred to the boolean. String, string means apple, banana, these all are string. And the characters here means a unique character like at the rate, hash, these all comes under character. So variables are used to store value of a particular data type. They are given a name and assigned a value which can be changed throughout the program. Variable can be used to perform calculation, manipulate data, or store user input. For example, here I included in Python, you could declare an integer variable named x with the value 5 like this: x equals to 5. Here x is a variable with included sign 5. If I print x, then the value will be 5. Okay. Control structure, if else loops. Control structures are an essential part of programming that allows developers to control the flow of their program. Two of the most commonly used control structure are if else statement and loops. Number one is if else statement. If else statements. If else If else statements are used to execute code based on a particular condition. The basic syntax for an if else statement is: if the condition, if 5 is greater than 2, then we, we can write print, print true, else we can print false. Okay, here where condition is written, we put our condition according to programs. And the second is loops allow developer to execute a block of code repeatedly. There are two main types of loop: for loops and while loops. Number one, a for loops. For loops are typically used when you know the number of times you want to execute a block of code. The basic syntax for a loop is: for I in condition, it means I can put for I in range 1 to 10. If I have to, if I if a program which is based on find the even number, then I can do for I in range for 0 to 10. So the I will be from 0 to 10, and by more programs I can find even number. And second is while loops. While loops are used when you want to execute a block of code repeatedly until a condition is no longer true. The basic syntax for a loop is while condition. Condition here, your condition will be and code to execute repeatedly. This is same as loops. Both the difference is that we use the condition in for in range and we use condition while with while. Okay, thanks for today, and this is for today, and keep watching, keep learning, and keep smiling. Thanks for watching once again.